What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Dollar Mike, aka Michael Mitchell, back at it again with another video. And in this video we're going to be talking all about the Wealthfront Debit Card, which I actually just got in the mail. We're going to do a little bit of an unwrapping. Yes, unwrapping, not unboxing, because there's really no box. So unwrapping of the Wealthfront Debit Card, kind of go over everything it entails and essentially tell you guys why I got it. So without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Let's go. So yes, the Wealthfront Debit Card. I actually talked about the Wealthfront Debit Card on the channel before. I had decided to grab one whenever they decided to release it, and here we are today with me having one. So let's just go right ahead and do a quick unwrapping for you guys, and then we'll get right into it. So to begin, I want to take like 2 seconds to talk about packaging, because just for me personally, I think good packaging is a sign of a good product. That's not always the case, but regardless, good packaging is cool, and there's nonetheless it's cool. It's just a debit card, so there's no reason for it to go all out, all crazy or whatnot, but still, you know, it's nice that they have this. But on the front, it actually tells you exactly what this Wealthfront debit card offers through your Wealthfront cash account, which essentially is a high interest savings account. And I told you guys all about high interest savings accounts on the channel before, but basically the Wealthfront cash account debit card offers no strings attached, no soon to be revoked promo rates, no account fees, no tiered rates because you're too fancy for that obviously, no extravagant minimum balances, no shady agendas, just your debit card, a high interest savings account, ATM access, direct deposit, and unlimited transfers. So it really doesn't get much better than that. It simply slides right out of the package, and there it is, the Wealthfront debit card. You can see Visa debit right there, and it's got an arrow right there telling you to point up. So I'm gonna go ahead and point up. So I'm gonna push that up, and wow, look at that. There it is, Wealthfront debit card, just like that. And it's actually gonna go ahead and tell me to log in to my Wealthfront account to activate it. Congrats on your hard-earned money into easy earned money, because that is 100% essentially what this high interest savings account is. For me, it is easy earned money because I don't have to do anything. The money simply sits there, and there is the debit card, and it looks pretty solid, I'm not gonna lie. So I just activated the card via the app, and it was a super simple process. It shouldn't be that hard regardless. It's just a debit card at the end of the day. But the thing that makes the Wealthfront debit card special to me in particular is that I have multiple high interest savings account with Wealthfront open right now, so I can essentially get a debit card for each one of those separate accounts and separate them via debit cards. I can toss a label or whatever on this card or another card. I only actually have one right now because that's all I actually need, but overall I have about 3 or 4 high interest savings accounts on Wealthfront right now. So it's a cool way to separate your money, and you're also earning interest on all those different accounts, all the same rate at 0.35 right now because of the economy. When I first signed up for Wealthfront, it was a 1.80 interest rate, which I think which was insanely high, which is amazing. And it'll probably go back to that once the economy actually gets better. We are dealing with a whole health crisis outside. I completely understand. Overall, I mean, it's just a debit card, but like I said before, it's earning you interest, that high interest that your normal bank like Wells Fargo, Bank of America, I don't know where else you bank with, but whoever else you bank with, just drop it down in the comments. They're not giving you any high interest. They're not really giving you any interest at all. That's the main reason why I actually closed my Bank of America savings account, and I made a whole video about it. And this is basically where I am today. So you can go and get those unlimited transfers. So you need to transfer money from here somewhere else, any kind of stuff like that. Take money out, put money in. Super easy process, all free. None of this is paid. This is all free. All you have to do is have $1 to sign up for an account, and then past that, there's no other account minimums. That is literally it. So pretty cool thing. I'm not sponsored or like, you know, they're not paying me to say any of this stuff. I just think it's cool, you know, it is what it is. I actually have a link down in the description. If you want to download Wealthfront via my link, you'll get $5,000 in managed money. That's not free money, obviously. $5,000 for free. It'd be nice, but no. $5,000 in managed if you want to go and take that into like an investment fund like that. I don't use Wealthfront for that personally, but if you would like to do that, you can. I literally just use Wealthfront for high interest savings accounts. I think it's great for it. I have no issues with it, so why not? 100%, why not? But regardless, it's a cool card, and the actual account that I have my Wealthfront debit card with is just my general savings account. I'll just use it for that. Like whenever I decide to ever tap into my savings, which I don't really do often because I have a lot of different accounts, I'll use this card. It'll just be that simple. Put it right in my wallet, and I'll remember because I rotate 4 or 5 cards when I go and purchase things. It all depends on what I'm buying, what I'm doing at the time. So when the time comes, the card will get used, and it will be used over time. So it really doesn't matter. I probably won't set up direct deposit on here just yet. Maybe in the future, if I have multiple streams of income, then I'll probably go ahead and put direct deposit straight to this because that would make the most sense. I already have direct deposit going somewhere else. So regardless, Cool card, free. Why not grab it if you can grab it? If you need a debit card that's with a high interest savings account, this is a good option. So that is basically it for this little unwrapping and little talk about the Wealthfront debit card. If you guys want to pick one up, go ahead and grab one. Link will be in the description for that. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit it with the like button. I make videos all about personal finance. So if you have any questions about personal finance, make sure you just check out the channel. If I haven't already answered it, I can answer it via DM, a comment down in the below, or just send me another message and I can just make a whole video about it if it's that deep. But regardless, anything like that, drop it down below. Let me know somehow and I'll know, because I read the comments too all the time. So if you enjoyed this video, like I said before, hit that like button. But I'm out. Dollar Mike. Peace.